Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'll explain or I'll show you how to change manager of an employee in Oracle HCM. So let's move on to the application. On the home page, go to My Client Group and then click on Person Management option. Here, search for the employee whom manager you want to change. So I search for the Ellen here. Then click on the name. On the employment page, you have an edit option, click on it and then click on update. Here, select the action, manager change, and then click on OK. Here, just scroll down. So you can see here, Gray Donald is his manager. You can remove from the remove icon and then add another manager from here. From here, select the manager and then click on OK. Here you can see you can add manager here, then select the type of manager. So I select here line manager, then click on review option. And after that, click on submit option. So this is how you can change the manager of an employee. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.